Welcome back to today's video. If you're here because you want to see what it's like with a JDL header, a JDL combo front pipe and overpipe, 2.5 inch, and a AWE touring exhaust, you're in the right place. Let's get this started. Today's video is supported by my Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Please check out that list, as it will have parts I may have already installed in past videos, and it will have a curated list of other products I recommend. I really appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. This exhaust was very easy to install. As you know, I've done it in 3 steps, and I'll include here in this video a stock clip, a clip with the AWE touring catback only, which is a 3-inch system, and then the JDL 2.5 inch over and front pipe and the header will all be included before and afters in this video, and the driving impressions in the cab. You'll be able to hear what it's like going down the highway. Now let's see how she sounds. Check out the cold starts, the before and after clips. See how it translates to a launch. Let's check out the flybys. Now let's see what it sounds like in the cabin. Here's the final sound you get with a full exhaust. And to wrap it up for me, the sound is amazing. I really love that sound that the unequal length header adds, the Subi rumble, and matched with the AWE touring exhaust, it still has that deep tone that the AWE is known for. Plus, it's not unbearable or drony. That's why I chose the 2.5-inch Ultra Quiet Combopipe. It has the catalytic converter and the resonator to help from drone and raspiness. This setup really blows me away. What are your thoughts about this setup? Is it something you would go with? This is going to conclude today's video. I would like to ask you to please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps a small channel like this to grow. And remember, put a little something positive out there and positivity will come back to you. Peace out.